Hi guys, thank you so much for coming back to my channel. Thanks for those who have already subscribed. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe now. In this video, I just want to show you my nightly routine when I have my hair styled. In this case, I did a wash and go 2 days ago, and I'm just going to show you what I do to maintain the wash and go for as long as it will last me, and show you the things that I use, and I hope that you enjoy this video. In this video, I'll only be needing 3 items. First is oil, water, and a comb. So let's get into the video. As you can see, I'm currently wearing my silk hair bonnet. This is how I went to bed last night. So what I do before I go to bed is I band my hair into 4 sections, and what that simply does, it prevents my hair from shrinking, it prevents my hair from getting matted up, and also keeps the length in my hair. And most importantly, I cover my hair with my silk bonnet, and that prevents my hair from drying out and losing moisture. So this is what I do in the mornings when I'm ready to go out. So I go on and remove the hair bonnet from my head. As you can see, my hair is parted into 4 sections. So I unravel each section by removing the hairband. Once I've removed the hairband, I go on and use my hands to fluff out my hair a little bit. After that, I take my hair oil of choice and I use the nozzle to apply the oil directly to my scalp, and I particularly focus on my edges. As you can see, my edges have thinned out. This is due to protective styling that's been quite heavy and not looking after my hair properly. But the most important thing to do here now is to massage the oil into my scalp. Massaging again promotes hair growth, it promotes blood circulation, and this allows our hair to regrow. And so I go on and massage the oil into my scalp. After that, I take my comb. You can use any comb of choice. I'm using a Pick Afro comb here. I use my comb to fluff my roots because this helps to create more volume, and I use my hands to fluff as much as I want to. If you're not interested in having huge volume with your hair, this is optional, you can just leave it. But if you're interested in creating more volume, then all you have to do is just use your comb to fluff your roots as much as possible, and this makes your hair look a lot bigger. Once you're happy with it, you can just go ahead and just fluff some more with your hands, and if you're happy with it, just leave your hair as you desire. After that, I go on and take some water and spritz it all over my hair. I just want to have a little moisture added. I don't want to drench my hair in a lot of water because that would affect the style. So I'm just spritzing my hair just to allow extra moisture. Hi guys, this is my finished result. As you saw, it was very simple. I just took out the bangs from my hair, oiled my scalp and my edges, and I used my comb to fluff the roots. That gives it a bit more volume. So depending on how much volume you want, you just keep fluffing and stretching it to get a length. and the width that you want. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions or comments, don't forget to leave them down below, and don't forget to share, don't forget to like, and please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much. I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.